Hello everyone, welcome back to Getting Started with Angular course. In this chapter, we will see how to create a simple Angular app. In last chapter, I believe you understand what is Angular CLI and how to install it. So this is the next part of the chapter. So you will be using Angular CLI to create a new application. So how to do that? To do that, you can use a CLI command, ng new. So ng nothing but Angular CLI, and then new is a command that says that we should be creating a new project, and after that you will be mentioning a project name. Apart from that, you can specify several options in this command. So what are those? Let's look at it. You can mention prefix after your command. So you can add prefix command option is specifically used in component and directive selectors. You can use skip install option to skip the npm installation after the project is being created. You can specify a dry run option to see what files can be created. So basically it's just a dry run, it won't do any effect on the file changes. Skip test. Generally when you create component services directive or any of the component of Angular, you will see a spec file with it. So when you say skip test, Angular CLI will make sure that it won't create a spec file. Style. This option can be used for selecting which extension of style you want, either SCSS, less or CSS, or maybe SASS. There are other options too, but these 5 options generally used by developers. I have opened the terminal in GitHub folder. Now I am going to fire ng new command, and then I give project name as a e-commerce and use the command option prefix is equal to EC. That will help us to create a component and directive with EC as in prefix to selector. Let me fire this command. After firing this command, it will ask you few questions. Do you want Angular routing? I will say yes. And which kind of style you want to select? I am going to select SCSS. It might take a minute or two. Let's wait for that. Within a minute it got completed. Basically it must have created e-commerce folder and the project inside it. So I am navigating to e-commerce folder. And I am going to open this folder in code. For that I will say code space dot. Now you can see that it created an e-commerce application and it has several files. So let's see how to run this application. To run that, you can open a terminal just to right click on the Solution Explorer and click on Open Integrated Terminal. As soon as you click, it will open a terminal at the bottom. Over there you have to just run npm start command. For first time, CLI would ask you to enable analytics. So just say yes. That's it. Application is compiling. I believe application have been ran and you can see that application running on port number 4200. So I just clicked on that link. You can see that Angular application is running on 4200 port. That's it. You just have to fire ng new command, navigate to the application and just fire npm start command. That was super simple. I hope you have understood how easy it is to create Angular application with CLI. Thank you for listening. See you soon in the next chapter.